Hello guys, I'm gonna show you something very interesting tonight. The one you're looking at right now is Robot, which can produce Indian rotis. It's called Rotimatic, and then I've been using it for the last couple of months and on regular basis. Basically, what you have to do is very simple. Press the button and top up all the ingredients. Well, not really a lot, just water, oil and flour, as you can see. And yes, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how this machine can make a fantastic hot rotis just right from the oven. All you gotta do is how many rotis you want, just choose. So now you're gonna see I'm gonna make let's say 2 now. I'm not very hungry, and I'm gonna choose the thickness of the rotis. I always prefer it to be 1, and then roast 2. All right, and 2 drops of oil. Set to go. Just press this button. Yes, I do want to make it now. Okay, so what's happening right now? The machine is it has taken my order, and yes, this noise is heating up the pan, and it's gonna need completely what you can see usually when your mom makes. This one is gonna be slightly different because it's completely automated. Let me see if I can show it to you. So this is the chamber where you can see the kneading of the dough, and yeah, we just have to wait for a few minutes, and then I will probably 5 minutes once it's heated up, and then we can enjoy the hot rotis. All it's going to take is 1 minute per roti. How does that sound? So just hang in there for a second. There you go. We are waiting for the rotis. It's gonna come out in a few seconds. Yes, as you can see, it's puffing up. Yeah, it's very interesting to see how it works, man. It's like human, really. Yeah, sort of. Okay, there we go. The hot puffy roti has come. Time to eat. Let me tell you, this is really the simplest machine which can make rotis that I've ever seen. I mean, in the first place, anytime in your life you buy any high-end product, then you'll end up not using it because it's too complicated. But this one is not very simple. All you got to do is just press the button, and that's it. And I usually don't wait for my wife to come home, so I make my own. So there you go. If you want to eat a healthy dinner or lunch, you don't have to be dependent your mom or your wife or your sister. So this is the best choice if you're looking at healthy rotis in no time. Yeah, and I would really recommend to all the busy people chasing the time, running after work, everything, just a couple of minutes, have your healthy breakfast, lunch and dinner too. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much. Bye bye.